Miles! Right here, just stay with me. Oh, thank God. Can you hear me, baby? Can you hear me? Peter? Squeeze my hand if you can hear me. Stay here. I'm going to find your father. Peter. Peter, wake up. Come on, say something, please.
Mom! Crazy. Over there.
You're gonna be okay. Just breathe.
You'll be okay. Just relax. Tie it off.
You're gonna be okay. Just breathe. I'm here.
Whoa! Oh, man! Mom? Mom! Damn it! Hurry! Think. Flipping! Got her!
Miles!
Are you okay?
Nice going, kid.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm alright, Mom. I'm alright. You sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright.
Alright, Lisa,
I love you.
I have to go find Dad, okay?
No, wait. Miles, no! Miles, no!
Dad's in there. I'll find him.
Miles! Baby! Stay here! Please!
Dad's alive. I know it. He was right there. What the hell?
Where do you think it is?
Into the shadows.
难战，一个不留。
and circle around the edge to get past them. Through there.
No!
这边没有问题。
这边好像有声音，
看看讲台那里有没有活人。还有谁听到了吗？
没动静，接着找。
Gotta find a way around these guys. Bet I can climb through. Okay.
这是什么？我说刚刚听到东西。
这里没有活人，我们走吧。这个
Dad was right there. Gotta help him. Now.